What do I say or do? Oh wait, hold on, let me get the prop sword. I'm gonna have to get up to get it. Well, first off, I should move the laptop so that I'm not facing a bright light. Oh, okay. Liam, prepare to die. Liam. Yeah. Hey.
Oh my gosh, don't move. Dad's gotta see you. He's in the bathroom.
Got it.
Because he was talking about pizza.
Oh, pizza.
I was thinking about that new pizza place that just opened on the corner down there by Crossroad.
Oh.
Don't move, don't move. You're perfect.
My back's hurting.
I'm the director. You gotta hold that pose.
You're not the director.
But when he opens the door, you gotta look. Like
Alright.
you did. You are phenomenal.
I know.
So unique. Don't move.
How you doing, Katie?
What?
Yeah.
Who knew? He's so weird, honey. I think he's so weird.
I'm filming in
There's a
here.
great actor
If
in
y'all
here.
don't
Oh,
mind.
he's filming.
I'm filming. Hey, you.
He's
Yeah.
filming. He's filming.
I'm a great actor. Look, I can wear this hat. I can pull this off.
You're more than that. I didn't even know.
Liam? Okay, hold on. How do I say it? You're the director. You need to coach me. Liam. Liam, prepare to die. I'm a Southern belle. Well, I'm not doing it now. I have to do the turn. Should I unsheath my sword? Oh no, that wasn't the sheath. Hold on. Do I do that? Liam, prepare to die. Hey. Okay. What? Wait. Like, I.